Hi, Matt Chinian here in the studio. I've got the box that I'm bringing my paintings to Ourense, Spain. And I'm going to have a show there opening October 1st. And it's pretty exciting. So I'm going to bring these on the plane with me, carry on, so they can be exhibited. And I want to show you how this looks. They're going to be sent back to me. I'm not going to bring them back. The gallery owner said he'd send them back after the show was over. So I wanted to make a box that was small and light and durable. And I found a cardboard box that I could alter. I altered the height, I altered the dimensions, and it was perfect size with that alteration. And then I put foam. I had this foam. This was foam that I used for the building here, and I had extra in the barn. And it consists of layers, and each layer holds a different size of painting. I have 4 different sizes of paintings, and each painting sits. It's kind of hard to see here, but I'll show you. They sit in there like this. The paintings don't have frames. They're mounted with a standoff where I can have them, you can hang them like that, and they look like that, and you kind of can't see the painting, so I put wax paper on them so they don't stick to anything, or nothing sticks to them. And they fit together like that. So it fits like a nice, neat package. So there's 4 different sizes. The first size is the biggest size, and they go down in size. And these are the 4 paintings I picked out like that. There's one, you can kind of see how they go opposite. This is supposed to, the foam is supposed to stay there. And so you can see, you can take them out. It's a bit awkward, but I need to put a finger hold in here. That's what I need to do. Like that, like that, like that. So without taking the last one is the smallest one, and it comes out, put little finger holes in there. That's what I do. Put it tight. And you can see they all fit like that, and it fits right in there. It's kind of fun. I spent quite a bit of time on this, and I wasn't painting, and it took me some time. So, and also in there is going to be, so then you go back in like that. Like I said, I'm going to do a little finger hold. That would be a good idea. They go this way and then this way. And in addition to that stuff, I will put my contract with the list. There's a list in here. Where's that? With the list of paintings, that'll go in here. And also I have the prosaic realism description and story of my journey. I'm going to have copies in English and Spanish. I'm going to attempt to read the Spanish, which is, it's going to be a horrible. But I'll read the first page, and I think that's what we'll do. And then I'll have Spanish copies, Spanish translations of this with me, and so I'm getting ready to go, and it'll be really exciting, and I'll post some more stuff. So thank you very much. We'll see you.